I really appreciate LANDTOP sending me this. Really like how it's constructed, very heavy duty steel. All the parts seem to be just done well. The paint, I'm beating the paint off of it in some places. Just is what it is. I don't have paint on much of anything when it comes to implements. But I'm going to post a link down below to their website. Like I said, they're a newer tractor implement company, and they seem to be adding new implements on a regular basis, so check that out. I'm really eyeballing their quick attach conversion kit for the front of the tractor. That's going to be a huge task because I have to actually I have to go to a fabricator and actually have him make new tabs for me because my bucket, I don't want to make my bucket obsolete. Well, I appreciate everybody watching. I pray you all have a great week. Take care.